Hi, welcome to the event. So tell me your name and where you work.
My name is Semhar Amdemichael. I work at Amnet Media Group, which is Aegis Media's trading desk. So we service iProspect and Kara and a slew of other agencies with their RTB needs.
And what kind of brands are your typical clients?
A lot of luxury and retail. I mean, it spans all verticals really, but my particular focus is on luxury and retail.
And you're obviously investing right now on behalf of your clients a lot in video.
We are definitely ramping up in video. It's definitely an area of growth, as well as cross-channel, so including mobile and tablet as well.
Okay. And how important is programmatic? I mean, you're here at TubeMogul University. How important is sort of leveraging private exchanges and programmatic for you as far as the strategy you're deploying for clients?
It's the key driver of what we're doing right now. They're really eager to leverage data and kind of take all these different resources that they have in-house and third-party opportunities as well, and take it all and kind of create a robust strategy for reaching consumers wherever they are.
Okay. And the data sort of driven video strategies, do you find that that is something your clients are asking for, or are those things that you're really pushing in a learning agenda, innovation agenda for most of them?
Yeah, it's definitely the latter. I think it's definitely a learning piece where they're eager to kind of test these new opportunities, and they do view it as a newer opportunity because they're very comfortable with leveraging data as far as display is concerned. And so I think the new frontier is using that for video and kind of other cross-channel opportunities.
Okay. And what sort of is one of the most interesting things you've heard or you've learned the last 2 days at Tube's event? I mean, what are your reflections on it?
I really actually enjoyed hearing from the different publishers and understanding their approach to, revealing a lot of their video inventory and some of the other inventory that's currently not able to be accessed through RTV. So I'm really excited to kind of see how that changes over time.
Awesome. Thanks, Semhar. Have a great rest of the event.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.